If you own a CFMOTO, doesn't matter if it's an ATV or a motorcycle or their UTVs, you probably already know that their brand of batteries completely suck. Let me tell you why. This bike's been sitting for 2 years, hasn't turned on, hasn't ran. Battery was totally dead. Figured I might as well buy a brand new one right from CFMOTO, get the exact battery for the bike. It's going to be an exact fit. Shows up from CFMOTO, put the battery in, and the bike is totally dead. Doesn't turn on, no lights, no noise, no nothing. So I figure it's got a brand new battery in it. Must not be the battery, maybe it's a fuse. So I take the seats off, check all the fuses. Nope, those are all good. Start checking wire harnesses, start ohming out the wires. Everything seems to be a-okay. Thought, well, maybe I better pull the battery out and test it. So I get my trusty multimeter out. I figure, well, let's go ahead and test the battery, see how many volts it has. You see how it's flashing? Can't get any kind of voltmeter reading at all. So now I'm thinking, oh, okay, well, I guess let's just charge it up. It should have came charged. I've never had a battery right out of the box brand new, not have any kind of charge to it. But let's put it on the battery charger and see what happens. Come back about an hour and see how it is. And I happen to notice after about 10 minutes, you see that flashing green light? That means that there's a fault in the battery. So in conclusion, I cannot get any kind of voltage off of this battery. It's brand new from CFMOTO, CFMOTO branded battery, ordered off their website. It's complete garbage. I've had problems with CFMOTO batteries and ATVs and UTVs not lasting very long. This is the last one I'm ever gonna buy. I'll put a link in the description. You can get a good lithium battery for these bikes. Get them off Amazon, have them show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. They're about 1/3 of the weight, and they have a built-in battery indicator. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.